We are desperately in the need for more space, so we decided to put in a wall here, like the beams that are going upright are not necessarily per se, but we added them just to be sure. And we already started to put in some drywall, as one can see here. And yeah, now we hope to finish the rest today and also the ceiling. We took a short break from installing drywall and put in the lamps because we bought new bulbs for our lights and we thought, oh yeah, let's go with LED bulbs and then we don't have to throw them away. But they are horrible. They barely light the room up. So yeah, we switched to the LED lamps and now it's nice and bright and we can finish the drywall for the ceiling. But we are making good progress here. We finally finished the ceiling and installed all 4 lamps. Maybe a bit much for this tiny room, but now it's nice and bright. So looking forward how it will turn out once it's finished. We are currently in the progress of making new boards for our shelves, and we gave ourselves the challenge to only use wood we already have lying around, so it's a bit of a mix and match, but I think it will be fine. I mean, it's honestly just for storage outside, so it will do, I guess. So we just finished cutting them to length and they turned out quite nice. We are decently surprised about the result. And now we just need to sand them down a bit. They look even nicer and now we can use them. Perfect. And that's how it looks now. We just did some sanding with 40 grit because we figured that will be enough, and it actually is surprisingly nice wood. If after we cut it, we thought it would be much worse, but it will do for storage unit outside of the barn, so you won't get any splinters, so we are perfectly happy with the result. Turns out we need exactly 120 centimeters between the beams, and as luck would have it, the European pallets are exactly 120 centimeters, so we can use them as a spacer, and because we kind of forgot to buy brackets for the corners, we just put wood on it and it will hold. It would have just been nicer to do it the other way, but this will be fine. As you can see, there has been a small change of plans due to material constraints. After checking, I was like, damn, maybe we need to change some things, so we added some more wooden bars here and there, but still left those in because just in case we ever want to take that sliding door and turn it into a swing door, we can just cut it down in the middle. Now, this is the storage room pretty much finished. We have our unfinished project corner here on the left and our storage on the right. We put everything into Euronorm boxes, which are amazing because they close pretty tightly so they don't have problems with dust, and our tools, and then some other stuff we just need and didn't have space to put somewhere else. We still need to finish the seams in between the drywall, but the problem is right now it's much too cold to finish that, so that's a problem for summer us.